Hey guys, I know it's been a long time, but I'm back with another video showing the unboxing process on my Apple device. If you hear some chirping birds in the background, it means that our home is surrounded by trees, so please bear with me. Anyway, I hope you found this video satisfying regardless. Now let's proceed to one of the main tools that I know you're all familiar with, which is the Apple Pencil. This is the stylus pen that Apple made themselves to cover almost every iPad feature. This is the second generation Apple Pencil, by the way. I bought a wireless Bluetooth keyboard from Miniso because I feel that this will be useful in events where I'll only bring my iPad to school with me. This will be a less hassle feature than bringing my laptop back and forth. Of course, to protect the screen of my expensive device and achieve the paper-like feel when writing digital notes, I bought this AG paper-like screen protector. This is not from Paperlike, but the quality is really nice. And the last accessory that will complete the look of my iPad is this case. Not the most exciting thing to showcase, but this will protect my little dude from damage. And here is the final setup of my iPad Pro and its accessories. I'll be updating you with my apps and aesthetics in my What's on my iPad video soon. I'm so excited to use this for school, YouTube, and productivity.